Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to give you a sneak preview of the WithKoji.com app directory, but I'm also going to show you how you can publish your project right now to the WithKoji.com app directory. This is very exciting. If you publish your project today, you will be one of the first people to get your app on the WithKoji.com app directory. It's a very simple process, so follow along. Okay, you're going to go into your deploy project area and you're going to scroll down to WithKoji.com app directory, click on configure, and then just fill in the fields. Now this app URL should be filled in by default with whatever URL your app is hosted in. So in my case, it's spacematch.world, the custom URL that I set up in a previous video. So if you set up a custom URL, it should be filled in by default. If you're using the WithKoji.com URL, it will display there. The next thing you're going to want to do is fill in your app name. So I called my app Spacematch. Add a short description. So this is a couple sentences that will display in the window. And then the last but arguably most important piece of this is adding your app tags. So you're going to want to add a bunch of tags that will make your app easier to search for within the app directory. We're also going to be building out several sections within the app directory once we find common patterns of apps that people are building. So make sure you add plenty of tags to make your app easier to find. Once all of this information is set up in the publishing process, you can go ahead and click on Save Updates if you've already submitted, or you can click on Submit. It will be the same button down here at the bottom right. So click on that, should take a second, and then you will get a modal that says success. We'll go ahead and close that out. Now, let me give you a really quick preview of a very early version of the app directory. So let's go to WithKoji.com. You can see that your app is displayed in an iframe here. So it is a fully functional game. All it is just pulling your app and putting it in an iframe on this page. Now, you'll also notice related apps here on the right-hand side, and these related apps all have their various thumbnails. So in order to change out these thumbnails and customize them to your liking, you're going to want to go into your project and go into the metadata.json file. So that's found under your visual customization controls, and your thumbnail will be the share image. It's the same image that you would see if you shared your app on something like Facebook or some sort of chat room somewhere. So if you want to change the thumbnails that appear on the right hand side, you will go ahead and change out this share image and then redeploy your project. So again, this is a very exciting opportunity. Make sure that if you have any apps that are published on Koji, submit them to the app directory. We want to feature them. We want to build out a huge app directory of lots of awesome apps that people are building. We're getting new apps, new templates submitted every day. I hope you learned something valuable in this video. I hope that you submit your app to the WithKoji.com app directory. Please like and subscribe this video for more updates to Koji, and we will see you next time.